Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Tom. Thank you for joining me. It is super early. It's just after 3 a.m. It is Friday morning, the last day of March, and I'm getting the car ready, the Bolty UV ready to head out to the airport. In about 30 minutes or so, we're going to hit the road. But I already powered it up, so I'll show you real quick. We have a 100% state of charge on the battery, and as you can see over here, we're reset to 100% everything. And the reason I opted to charge it full was because I will be leaving it for a week in uncertain weather, and I wanted to give it, enough state of charge that if it needed to absolutely draw from the high voltage pack, it could. I don't think it will, but that's left to be seen. Last time I left it, it was relatively warm, so it never really pulled any energy, but I'll keep an eye on it while we're away. So we're at 1,768 miles on the clock and 220 miles estimated on a range estimator. And ironically, it does say maximum 259, which is the EPA rating. It's still plugged in to the level 2, so you can see it is drawing some power to keep the systems running right now. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pack up our suitcases and stuff, get everything in the car, and then I guess I got to wake my son up because he's still asleep. So let's do this. All right, so we made it to the airport. The EUV is parked right here. It's at about 75% state of charge, so we have enough for whatever may come its way. We're gonna wait for the shuttle bus because we have a lot of bags and heavy bags to deal with, so let's do this. I'm ready. Are you? Let's go. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. we have finally made it to Monterrey, Mexico. I must admit, it's been a long journey. We're very tired. My wife and son are over here barely alive, and we must have stumbled upon the most dirtiest airport in the world that I've ever seen in my life. This place is absolutely disgusting. My wife just went over there and picked up a bunch of Starbucks paraphernalia and put it in a trash can because, I don't know, they don't vacuum, they don't clean, they don't do anything, so it is what it is. But we're here for a few more hours, and then we have one more leg to get to Jalisco. Stay tuned.